Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing a 2014 Ford Explorer passenger side mirror with the part number BB5Z-17682-BACP. How many times have you guys have had your significant other backing out of the garage and hit the wall and break the mirror? Here's the new here that's just going to replace that one. The tools needed for this job is very simple, just a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm socket along with a 10mm wrench. In order to take off the mirror, you do not have to take the entire panel off. You'll take this panel off, and beneath it there are two 10mm bolts and then one here. So I've kind of started this here, so just pop this out. There's 1, 2, 3 clips. So you want to be careful when taking off these bolts. You use the wrench for this bottom one here, and you can use an optional magnetic while you're taking this one off down there. That way it doesn't fall down. We'll do the third bolt here. As you can see, now it's getting loose, and you want to undo this wire harness. Okay, now that one's free. We should be able to just now slide this mirror out. Okay, on the mirror there is this little latch here that latches into the door frame. So while pulling it out, you have to push it up and out. So when you put it in, obviously in and down. Okay, we'll go around and put those bolts back in place. I'm going to start with this top bolt. That way I don't have to be holding it up with my hand. Everything lines up perfectly. Easy fix. This should take honestly about 5 minutes. Okay, so after putting those two bolts in, again, that's going to be the most toughest one. You have to use the wrench. And you want to make sure you leave this unplugged as well. That way you don't tear it up. Just snap that back in place. Now just snap. There you have it. Quick and simple. Again, about 5 minutes. 2014 Ford Explorer with the part number BB5Z-17682-BACP. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.